Okay, we're here. We are back. Man, last night was amazing. Okay, in the early morning, because a lot of moves. Look at this. I mean, just look at these, man. 2.2% move. 2.31. Okay. Closed out just took a. Oh, hold up. Close history. I just closed a $31,000 profit here. Basically, it was 31 on all these, right? It was 27. I had to come back because I took a big loss, right? So, yeah, I took a big hit, um, YOLOing, right? Um, and I had to come back, man. And I said it, I told you, CHF JPY going 680, but I said, you know what? I'm back to where I was, 100,000. I'm getting out because it moves so fast. Um, I was worried about that rubber band effect. So you know how it go up, go down type thing, right? Or go down, then recover back up. You know what I mean? But slowly. I feel like waiting anyway. I had left this in for 2 weeks. I don't know how long it was, man. I think uh on the sixth, not 2 weeks, 10 days. Yeah, Whew. Crazy, man. Crazy work. Crazy work. Um, yeah. So, but so we have the 60 spread, the new RSI hedge, and now changed the name, just a more descriptive name, because it's a hedge, and then it turns kind of into a scalp, and then it turns into like a day trade, not a swing trade, because I don't hold them over the weekend really. I mean, I can. It's like a hybrid, kind of a hybrid between a day and swing, more so day, because the trailing stop would hit usually. Um, but so the box moves like I don't even know where I had it before. We had it at 10 o'clock. Let's see. Hold on. Was it 10 or was it 1? It was somewhere in 10. I think it was like hold on to eat. Hold on. Somebody called. A cousin called me. He needed a little help at the shop. So yeah, I'm giving him help in hand. Oh wait, so it's 10. Uh, was it 8? I'm trying to think. Yeah, it was like 8. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, so the trigger here, right, gone up 20. It would have been like right. So that's 48, but it would have been 28, right? So you made 28 pips. The reset is right in the center where you took your, because it came back down, right? Um, you're 28. Then, I did that right? Well, 2028. I'm going to say the middle, 26, 24. So let's say you made 24. And then this is put right at that spot and comes through. So 24 plus 171. So you would have made 195 pips uh, in just not even in a couple of hours because it moves. This went fast. In a matter of 14 hours. 15 hours, right? It's 10:40. So yeah, um, you would have made that many pips and just, oh man, and just that in that amount of time. Um, and this is what I call it the cookies box strategy. So 60 box 60. I mean, the cookie box 60. So the cookie box. I think that's how did I type. Let me see what I said. Uh, he said, a student said, box 60 is a great name! Exclamation point. Of course, from Master Cookie. Yeah, yeah, yeah. They call me Cookie. That's what Wall Street called me. And I said, I just wanted, my dream was to come back and come back big in trading, and that's what I wanted. I call it Cookie's Revenge. Um, yes, yes, indeed. Box 60 strategy. I mean, it's just you cannot lose on this strategy. You cannot lose on this strategy. Okay, so this strategy, I'm just sharing it with you guys. Cannot lose on it. Like, you can be the worst trader in the entire planet, and you will make money with this. Okay, all right, let's go. If you like this content, if you like what we're doing here, click that like button. It helps me out. And share, subscribe. All right, I gotta get going. Help my cousin out. Gotta be there. Gotta be there for the people who are there for you, right? Okay, and remember that. I'm out. Peace.